In this video, I want to talk about how you can find the best deals on Temu. Now, first of all, I suggest you download the app, since a lot of the time on the app you can get like free coupon codes and stuff like this. So just use that if you can. And the second one is if you're on the email list, sometimes they will give you email coupon codes so you can get good deals. Now, to get the best deals, what I suggest you do is you click on best selling items. Inside of here, these are the ones that are currently the best selling, and then you can filter in here. So let's just say within 7 days. If you want to filter by category, you can do that, but within the last 7 days, you'll be able to see the best selling items. Now, most of the time, these are best selling because it's a really good product, as well as they're having a really good deal on it. So as you can see here, this one has a really good deal. It's like 75% off, and a lot of these will be really cheap compared to the original price, as you can see. So this is a great way to find some really good deals on Temu. And like I said, if you have the app, you can get some coupon codes and stuff like this, and that will also help with the deal. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.